How Mission Happiness works in Madura. Mission Happiness is all about delighting customers. The circle of delight can be completed in 4 simple steps. First, the customer visits the store and shares his experiences. Second, if the customer agrees for a call back, the call center executives give him a call. Third, different teams address the different issues raised by means of escalations. Lastly, these teams decide what is the way forward in solving the customer's problems. Let us look at stage 1 in detail for a better understanding. Customers share their experience online via an application on the iPad. This application consists of a number of questions that help us understand what exactly the customer is thinking. Let us understand these questions one by one. The application requests the customer to spare a minute or two to share his experience. It requests the customer to rate his or her likelihood to recommend the brand to his family or friends on a scale of 1 to 10. Recommendation is the most positive and powerful outcome that is a result of delight. When they are delighted, they will return often and say good things about the brand. Hence, earning a recommendation is the biggest achievement for a brand. It is also important to understand the meaning of the score out of 10 points which the customer provides. 0 to 6 are customers who feel the need for improvement and are very less likely to recommend the brand. 7 to 8 are customers who feel scope for improvement but are also less likely to recommend. 9 to 10 are customers who are happy and are likely to recommend the brand. The customers are asked to give their feedback on 5 main parameters: product quality, staff service, variety and choices, worth the money, and store environment. These are also called L1 drivers. Each of these parameters are further broken down, as we will see, into sub-factors referred to as L2 factors. Product quality L2 factors include design, fit, fabric, feel, and defects. Staff service L2 factors include staff pleasantness and engagement, knowledge, quality alterations, quick and efficient billing, providing additional services like the loyalty card, and understanding customers' requirement and providing suggestions. Variety and choices L2 factors include range of designs, range of sizes, range and fit, range of colors, new designs, price ranges, and range of product categories. Worth the money L2 factors include price ranges, attractive promotions and discounts, prestige value, and comparative pricing to competitor brands. Store environment L2 factors include music, lighting, seating and display, easy access, comfort of trial room, and display of looks. Let us navigate through an example of the survey. Imagine there is a customer who is unhappy with his experience. He proceeds to fill the feedback on the iPad. His experience will be as follows. The customer marks us a 7 out of 10. He is therefore a detractor. He selects a variety or range available as the single most important factor for improvement. This is the L1 factor. Within variety and range available, he selects range in size as the main sub-factor or L2 factor. He then says that he tried on the merchandise but did not purchase anything. The customer mentions that he was looking for casual in menswear. It further breaks down his need and he selects a t-shirt. He says that he found what he was looking for, but his problem was with the size range as he earlier mentioned. He fills in his demographic details of name, mobile number, age, and email ID. He does not allow us a call back. He also does not leave a comment. We thank him for his feedback. Thus, we see an example of the survey that our customers fill at the iPads in our stores every day. This helps us get insight into the customer's mind and constantly improve ourselves. This is an opportunity to give customers what they want. Thus, the first stage of the circle of delight is extremely crucial. Always encourage your customers to share their experiences.